Okay, we have a Milltronics 4-axis vertical machining center, model MM18 partner, serial number 9588. Machine was new in 2006. It has a Centurion 7 control. It also has a Troike DL6 5B 4-axis rotary table. Right now the machine is running. It has a 35 by 16 table with 30 inches of X travel, 17 of Y, 18 of Z. 8,000 RPM spindle. Right now the spindle is running at 1,000 RPM. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle. We're going up.
3,500.
3,500 RPM. 5,000 RPM. Okay, that's good. You also have an automatic tool changer with the machine, umbrella style, 16 ATC. 16 is the amount of tools. We're simulating a tool change. Doing it again. This machine's original paint. Removing the X-axis. Rapiding, nice and quiet. That's your Z? Y. Y. And there's your Z. And there's your B. So all 4 axes are going along there. That's your manual pulse generator hand wheel for your Y and your X. And you also have for the Z. But you also can change which axes or B. There's the B. All right, that's your coolant pan. Way covers, original paint. Hey, thank you for watching our video.